Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock the screen on HP Chromebook 14A. And you can do it in two different methods, basically free, but we'll talk about it later. First, let's talk about the most basic one. Just click on this Control Center button on the bottom right corner. Now click on the power icon and click on lock. If you want to do it in a quicker way, you can use the launcher and L key. The launcher is the key that typically on other keyboards is the caps lock. So this and the L, and you can see the screen is locked. Now I'm gonna quickly unlock it and show you the last method, which is like quite intuitive, although there is one thing about it. You can just close the lid, and when the lid is closed, basically if you open the laptop again, you can see it's not yet locked because it depends on your settings. Sometimes it will get locked immediately, sometimes after 15 seconds, or sometimes you'll need to wait even longer. You can change it in the settings. So yeah, if you want to use it that way, that can be changed. I believe in the power section or somewhere else. I'm not really sure about that, but if you want to be really sure that the laptop is locked, just click on launcher and L. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.